Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aqil Azmi bin Muhammad Fauzi. My student ID is 2025423816. And in this video, I will talk about white stem borer, which is a paddy insect. I hope you watch it until the end. And this video duration is only 5 minutes. So buckle your seatbelt because we are going fast. So let's look on to the scientific name. The order for white stem borer is Lepidoptera. The family is Crambidae. The genus is Skirpophaga, and the species is Skirpophaga innotata. This is the scientific name, and the common name is white stem borer. As you can see, the picture that I put and in the slide, that is the white stem borer. So what a white stem borer can do to a paddy, what kind of damage? So there are many damage that can be caused or by white stem borer, but I only pick two that are very famous among the farmers of paddy, that in this damage only caused by white stem borer. The first one is dead heart, happen in the vegetative stage. The central shoot of the tiller dries up and dies. As you can see the picture I put below, the shoot of the tiller dies and the dry shoot can be pulled easily. So if you find this symptom in your paddy, that is a sign that your paddy have been infected white stem borer and has caused a dead heart. So let's proceed to the next symptom of damage, whitehead. Whitehead happen in the reproductive stage. Panicles are filled with empty chaffy grains. The panicle appear white and stand erect. As you can see, most of the paddy when are full with grain, it bend over because the heavy grain fill up at the top. But whitehead, which the paddy have been infected by white stem borer, are filled with empty and chaffy grain. It's only an illusion for the farmer. The panicle appear white and stand erect. It did not bend over because the grain are empty. So that is a symptom of whitehead that has been caused by white stem borer. Now let's look onto the life cycle. There are four stages of the white stem borer life cycle. The first one is egg stage, second one is larval stage, third one is pupal stage, and lastly is the adult stage. So let's look to the first one. Adult female lays an egg mass on the underside of ripe leaf, covered with pale yellow hair which is come from the abdomen of the adult female, and the eggs usually take about 5 to 10 days to hatch. So move on to the next stage, which is larval stage. This is the most crucial part. This is where the farmers are mostly scared, the damaging stage, because the larval will crawl to the leaf sheath, then bore into the stem. They feed inside the stem, and this stage lasts about 25 to 40 days. This stage is the most longest part and the most damaging part that can cause the crop to lose yield and lose profit to the farmers. So the next one is the pupal stage. Occurred inside the stem. The pupa is light brown. Before emerging, the pupa moves toward the exit hole made by the larva. This takes 7 to 12 days to emerge to become an adult. So that is where we come to the adult stage, the last stage. The adult are nocturnal, most active during the night. Adult mates soon after emerging. Female lays new egg masses, beginning the cycle again, and this stage takes only take 4 to 5 days only. So you have known the symptom of damage and the life cycle. So how do we need to prevent more damage that can be caused by the white stem borer? We have cultural control. Firstly, field sanitation. Remove and destroy stubble, straw, and volunteer rice plant. The second is water management. Maintain a 1 or 2 week draining period during the early vegetative stage. And lastly is optimum nitrogen use. Don't over apply nitrogen fertilizer because it can attract borers to come to your paddy field. The second is biological control. Use natural enemies of borer like Trichogramma, Testrastichus, Cotacea flavipes, and spiders. Or the second ways is use biological agent. Trichogramma wasps can parasitize borer egg, reducing the larval emergence. So we come to the end part of our video. I hope you learned something from this 5-minute video. Thank you for sticking until the end, and I see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.